Hello guys, I welcome you to episode number 45 of Walk the Stock. I'm Rupak, I represent iFinStrats. Now as we've been talking, Nifty is consistently making higher highs and higher lows. We were just about talking yesterday that it's going to show us 24,000, and look what happened today. Nifty closed at 24,044, made a jump of 175 points, which is 0.74% intraday today. So all good going. Nifty is really traversing above 20 a day moving average, generating some good volumes. So I guess Nifty is on a very, very good uproll. Now, I think at the same time, we should now start becoming a little bit cautious because the greed factor is kind of increasing in the market, and there could be very high likely that Nifty could start retracing a little bit in the days to come. But for now, Nifty stays bullish, and we should be enjoying this period where Nifty is showcasing us all the higher highs and all-time highs for now. Today, I have come up with yet another stock. The stock is basically from the IT services and consulting, because IT sector is kind of starting to go up. So I thought, let me pick up one of the stocks from IT, which could be doing well. It's currently in a very, very good bullish state. The stock is none other than Infosys. The stock made a 2% jump today, closed at 1573.35. It is in strong momentum. It has definitely broken the R3 on the CPR. Very, very bullish from the technical point of view, and the stock has already made an all-time high of 1953.9 earlier. So the stock is trading now at about 15,075 or 73, which also means that it's got a good runway in front of it to at least go touch again all-time high of 1953. So I think the stock is really going to be on an uproll in the days to come. Now the stock's beta stays at about 0.75, which is 0.79. I'm sorry, which is good, and the market capitalization of the stock is sitting at about 653,000 crores. So with Nifty going up, IT sector trying to get into the boom phase now, I think Infosys could be a good stock for us to analyze and see what kind of story it has to showcase to us when we do the technical analysis of Infosys today. So let's get onto the charts right away and see what Infosys has in store for us. Okay guys, so we are on the monthly chart of Infosys. Today I'm going to do the analysis in a little bit different way. So let's quickly get started. So if you see, first of all, here is the near-term support, what Infosys has been showcasing. And if I just pull out a line and I draw that line here, and I just do this and I bring it out like that, it's kind of a flag pattern or a pennant pattern, whatever you may call it. But Infosys is kind of traversing between these. It's getting compressed, or the price is getting contracted in this kind of a flag, and there is a very high likely it could give a breakout on the upper side. Now, having said that, we also would like to see that why only breakout on the upper side? Why couldn't it give? Why am I not saying that the probability of breakout on the downside is also possible? Well, absolutely, it is possible. So in the monthly chart, you can see that it's forming a flag which is getting combined with lower highs. So in all probabilities, what we could get to is a breakdown rather than a breakout. But let's, for our swing trade point of view, look at this chart on a daily basis and try to see what is happening on the daily basis on this chart, and then I'll give you a very, very different perspective. Let me just turn around this chart on a daily basis and see what kind of perspective we can form here when it comes to a daily chart versus the monthly chart. So monthly chart, it is kind of having a downward looking flag pattern, but if I look at the daily chart, here you go. It is showcasing a kind of sinusoidal wave, first of all. But let me qualify this with something else here, and let me open up, let me unhide some of the indicators and show you what exactly we could mean here. I'm sorry, but the internet is a little bit slow. Yeah, there it goes. Now, if you see, there are two moving averages I'm trying to plot here. The orange one is 20-day exponential moving average, and the white line is 200-day exponential moving average. Now, let me tell you guys that I'm a big fan of moving average crossovers, and especially when it comes to 20 period moving average crossing over the 200 period moving average. It is a very strong indication that the stock is kind of turning bullish. So if you see here, the stock is turned bullish because squarely there is a 20 period moving average crossover which has happened here. Now this was the monthly support, and there is this crossover which has happened, and after this crossover the stock is trying to make a decent up move. So its first target could sit at somewhere around 1700 odd, which is looking to the first resistance to us. Let me just draw this correctly for you. The first resistance is somewhere sitting at this levels, 1730 levels, and from here, from here to here, even if the stock makes a move, if we buy the stock now and makes an up move about 10.5%, Infosys, kind of a large cap company, making 10.5% move is a very, very good swing to really trade for. So, and the volumes, if you see the volumes are also running high. Basically, these are the volume bars on a 20 period moving average, and you are seeing the volume spikes showcasing pure buying pressure. Now let me open up some more indicators here to see where is the trend, where is the momentum and stuff like that. And as expected, RSI is on daily basis traveling above 60. The on balance volume is coming up above 50-day moving average, and it is showing some good up move with respect to cumulative volumes and buying pressure. Prices are already going high with the crossovers happening. The trend strength from the ADX point of view is looking good, and last but not the least, the relative strength is also showcasing some good strength which is forming up for Infosys in reference to the broader index Nifty. So all in all, things are looking pretty good, and I think the stock is on a good up roll, and in the next days to come the stock would give us a good upswing and we could just book some kind of profits here. So Infosys and as such the IT sector could be doing good in the next coming days and weeks, and I'm sure that if we have a position here, we could book some decent P&L out of Infosys. Now this analysis is just from the technical point of view, and it is just an educational analysis. Please do not take any position just looking at my analysis. Do your own analysis, do your own homework, do your own bit. Talk to your financial advisor before taking any position in this kind of a stock, and I'm sure you will like to keep the stock in your watch list. It's a beautiful stock to carry, in fact, in your portfolio, because it is none other than Infosys, and I'm sure that you will all keep a good eye on this stock and see what, when and how it gives the up move what we are desiring it to give. With this, I leave you for today. You all have a good evening, and we'll catch up again tomorrow with yet another stock which is running on momentum. So today's analysis, as you would have seen, was a little bit of a moving average crossovers analysis, but I can tell you this is a very strong analysis when it comes to 20 and 200 EMA crossovers, and I really believe very well on these kind of analysis. So you guys stay happy. We will catch up again tomorrow, and for now, goodbye and good day.